I've done the science camp for 3 or 4 years. They provide us with so much information and sources, and they make it really fun. They have very fun and nice instructors.
I like a lot of stuff. I like the learning part, and it's also really fun. In this course currently we're flying drones and learning how they work.
Imhotep Academy has a proud history of connecting students to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics careers. We've been able to see that come full circle as students who went through the program in the 90s and early 2000s and then went on to pursue their own STEM dreams are now sending their children to the program. Imhotep's partnerships with the world-class researchers at NC State have created opportunities for our students to get hands-on experiences in STEM that they couldn't receive elsewhere. From biotechnology to aeronautics and even areas like sustainability, our students are exposed to the type of research and, perhaps just as importantly, the types of researchers that we hope inspire them to use STEM to change the world. It's so important for students to see people who look like them at the forefront of STEM research.
One of the arms of our strategic plan is to really bring science to the public. We can do this in many ways, and one of the most important ways is through our science house and through programs like Imhotep. 30th anniversary of such a fabulous program. Thousands of kids have gone through this program.
Imhotep Academy's thematic STEM programming reaches nearly 200 students each year across North Carolina. For many of these students, being a part of Imhotep is the only STEM experience that they have in a year. But without support, our reach is limited. Many students want to participate in the program, and they face challenges related to cost and transportation. We'd like to use this moment, Imhotep Academy's 30th anniversary, to support these families that want STEM opportunities for their students by raising $9,000 that'll be used to provide scholarships for 30 students. This will include all their program supplies and experiences, with transportation included for students in need.
And this, to me, is so exciting when we think of how successful this program has been, with greater than 90% of children having a very strong impact in their lives, going on to take higher level science courses in high school, and then going on in some cases, in actually many cases, to major in a STEM subject.
Of course, it's so fun. I would recommend it to anyone who loves STEM, who loves interactions with other people and experimenting.
It's very fun and it's learning too. You can learn a lot in this camp and also have fun. They also have field trips like once a week. And it's only the whole course is only for 1 week, and you learn a lot of stuff in 4 days. And then on the last day, on Friday, you present it to your parents, and then they can see what you've learned in this camp.
I really like aeronautics, so maybe an aerospace engineer or a biologist.
Some sort of scientist, but I'm not sure which kind of scientist.